To factory default your Blaze appliances, find the small pinhole on the rear of the unit. Insert a paperclip and hold it for about 5 seconds until the factory default message appears on the screen. Once you acknowledge the message, the unit will reset and reboot. This will also format the hard drive, meaning all video data, programming, and configurations will be erased. After the reboot, you'll be presented with the first-time setup wizard. You can then follow the on-screen prompts to set up your system. Go ahead and name your system and set your administrator password. After that, you're all set. If we check the settings menu, you'll see the configuration has been reset to default. However, since your licenses are embedded in the unit, you don't need to worry about them.